Presented by ChurchTechU, it's the ProPresenter show. On today's show, why you should be careful about upgrading to macOS Catalina, even if ProPresenter itself will work fine with it. Hi and welcome again to the ProPresenter show. This is the show where I help you learn about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford, and before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell icon so that you can be among the first to learn the new tips and tricks I share. macOS Catalina was announced last month at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, and while there are some things that are going to be awesome, one thing will be troublesome, at least to some of us, especially if you have multiscreen or edge blending module. So let's head over to my computer and I'll show you what I mean. You may not know that 32-bit applications are not going to be supported in Catalina. What that means for you is that certain software just won't run. But what software? Well, this guy has an Oxford English Dictionary CD-ROM that's not going to work, so he's got problems. But if you're in the church production environment, you may have software you don't even know is a 32-bit application. So let me show you how to find that out. First, we're going to click on the Apple up here and then go to About This Mac. Right there. Now we're going to go to System Report and then scroll down to Software and Applications. When we click on this, it might take a second depending on how many apps you have installed. Okay, and as you can see, this is all this stuff. Now if you scroll over to the side, you see 64-bit Intel here. What you want to do is click on this so that it organizes this list by whether it's a 64-bit application or not. Right now we've got some that are, some that aren't. Let's just put all of them together, and when we click on this, no list. Okay, so some of this stuff, not all that important. The Adobe Application Manager might be something that bites you. Camera Live, if you use your DSLR captured into your computer, that's what that's for. I don't do that very often, but it's just something good to know. One thing that is important though, look at this, Matrox Power Desk. So if you're using ProPresenter and you have either the edge blending module or the multi-screen module and you're using a Matrox triple head or dual head to go, either one of those, this could be a problem. I don't know if Matrox has any plans of updating this, but this could be a big deal. MPEG Stream Clip, that's one of my go-to applications for converting video. That could be a problem. OmniDazzle, if you're still using an older version of ProPresenter and you're trying to hack it, OmniDazzle kind of does something like Telestrator, but if you're upgrading to Mojave, or from Mojave rather, into Catalina, then you don't have that as an issue. But just things like that. QuickTime 7, some people really love that. That's going away. So basically anything with a no in this column is going away, so keep that in mind. For me, uninstall product, I have no idea who that is, but that's going away. Stellar Volume Repair, that's a hard drive / SSD kind of utility, that's going away. So these are all things that are going away, so make sure that you keep that in mind before you upgrade to Catalina. Maybe there will be a new version, maybe not, but you need to know that. 32-bit apps are on their way out. Now you know which ones you have and whether or not this will be an issue for you. It could be that some of them you don't use with ProPresenter, but you need them for other things. So just be careful. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. But if you really want to level up your ProPresenter knowledge, don't forget that you can enroll in any of my ProPresenter mini courses for free. Just go to tvm.fyi/tutorialsmini, MINI. Until next time, this is Paul Allen Clifford from TrinityDigitalMedia.com and ChurchTechU.com, reminding you to go out and change eternity.